How to bet 1xBet for beginners. First off, open your 1xBet app. Scroll down a little bit till you see top live games. Click one from one of those that you'd like. For me, I click the W1 on the left side. And after you click and choose from one of those, here's you should look for after. In here, after you see this, you can just type how much do you want to bet. It's your own choice. And after you put your bet on it, just click the bet button and you're all set. But when it comes to betting, there are always essential points to consider to ensure a safe, responsible, and rewarding experience. Here's what you should make sure of. Number 1, verify legality. Number 2, account security. Number 3, understand the terms and conditions. Number 4, manage your bankroll. Number 5, choose reliable payment methods. Number 6, bet responsibly. Number 7, research before placing bets. Number 8, avoid scams. Number 9, monitor your betting history. Number 10, customer support. And number 11, stay updated. That's just some of the things that you should consider when it comes to betting. That's pretty much all of it. Hope you learned something new with me today in this video. Thank you.